So our project was creating a moisture sensor for plants, and we did this by using two photons, or I guess in this case a photon and an electron. By the initial photon receiving a signal using a capacitive soil moisture sensor, and what this does is it tracks the percentage, and then when this falls below a certain percentage, say 15 or 20%, then it sends a signal to the other photon, or electron in this case, which then sends a signal to your phone notifying that your plant needs to be watered. This is then communicated back to the original photon and tells it to stop sending data, to stop the notifications on your phone, or else you'd just be being spammed with notifications saying your plant needs to be watered.
Right. So here's our plant right here. It hasn't been watered in a while, so theoretically, if we put this in, alright, so the plant is still pretty dry, so if we give it just a second to update, you can see what sort of moisture level it was at.
So that's 17.045%.
Alright, and that's very, very low. So right now, my electron here is blinking with the LED going back and forth, and that's basically just as a second point of reference in case you forget your phone that your plant needs to be watered. But if you watered the plant, give it a second. It checks every 30 seconds to see if the plant has been watered or not.
It did go up slightly.
See, now it's gone up to 36.43, and that's actually pretty high, and my electron here has stopped flashing. So that means we get our plant's been watered, and good job.
And this is also plotted on a ThingSpeak channel, which shows the moisture levels with respect to the date. As you can see here, this is just a test from today. This is the time between where it wasn't tracking, and this is our initial data, just for testing.
And so here we're just testing our notification system on our phones because it didn't work the first few times. But here you can see the LED starts to flash. And then we look at our app, and after a little bit of errors, we can see that the notification popped up on the phone.
155. Yes.